Alright guys, welcome to a quick edition of Need a Tool, Make a Tool, and this is not the poor man's way to do it. I'm not doing the old school, I want the tool, and I'm going to make it now. New way, we'll do one old school. I need a turning tool. You know, I have my scroll fork. The turning fork or the scrolling fork that I built, but it's not heavy duty, and I'm working on a piece of 1 inch by 1/2 inch top, and I'm trying to make a scroll. This is the Forged S project, all right. And I'm just realized I'm sitting there hammering, trying to adjusting everything with the hammer. If I had some type of turning fork, hardy hole tool, it would be handy. And in addition to that, I'm running from the anvil all the way over to the table to test whether, you know, it fits my rough out that I have on the table. And I do actually have. I put a hardy hole right in the table like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hardy tool that'll be a turning fork that'll work on my anvil as well as this one, or as well as the table. And the thing I'm going to do differently is normally the turning forks, you see 2 of them. You know what I mean? I'm going to put 3 out there. All right. So I'm going to put one about 2 inches apart. Okay, and then I'll put one 3 inches apart from there. So it's going to look something like this when we get done. And that way, if I'm working on something tight, I have this, and if I'm working on something, will that work, or will this be in the way? No, I can work these two. But if I'm, you know, I just think that's going to be a smart thing to do. We'll put the hardy tool down on this end. Everything's going to be welded, nothing fancy. The first thing I need to do, though, is upset one end of this hardy tool and get a taper on it so that it fits a little snugly into the hole. So let's do that quick. So I got a gradual heat top to bottom. Hopefully the top will upset more than the bottom. No, not hopefully. So the top will upset more than the bottom. That's what I mean to say. Come on, tongues. There you go. But I'm crooked in my hit. That's me. There you go. There is a good example of shitty hammer control. Good job, Chandler. Fix that, you sucker. Oh well. I got even almost the right tongs for the job, and I'm still dicking around here. Right, let's see if we can fix that a little bit. Alright, hopefully that sucker won't fit through the hole no more. Except that I want it to. So we will take that out and just drive her in a little more. Alright, let's go ahead and just drive that through. That way I'll be able to set it flat on the... Ooh, I hope I can drive it through. Set it flat on the... Nope, gonna have to hammer on it a little bit. I want it to fit tight in the hole, but still go through. So when I weld that to the bottom plate, I think that's what I learned last time I tried one of these quick and dirty hardy tools. And that way, oh, I missed. Come on now. The plate will sit flat on the anvil or the table. I guess maybe me and these tongs just don't get along. Alright, I don't mind grinding the top off. Will we fit down through there now? Yep, me and these tongs just don't get along, that's all. Almost. Alright, I'll be back one more. Damn, I thought it'd be 2. Alright, I was going to grind a bit of a chamfer on the other end anyway. Just do that now. It's that damn train again. We'll get back at it, I promise. Let's see if that'll get us in there. Again, I want it tight, but I don't want it. I want to be able to go all the way down with it. Right, we're getting there, getting closer. I think we'll be able to drive her through this time. What a waste of time. Alright, let's get this part of this one. Damn, it might not even be ready yet. hate to use that. Where's my knee breaker? There we go. We knew we could do it. Send her through again, Jim. We knew we could do it. No, not gonna go this time.
Not gonna go that time, are you, asshole?
That's it. I just thought it'd be easy to just swedge that through. But that's it. Call me stupid once. Okay, call me stupid twice. Call me stupid the third time, then I deserve it. Was it Bugs Bunny or Porky Pig said, if you can't beat them, join them. So we'll just go ahead and forge it out a little thinner. All I'm trying to do is get a tool done so I can get the project done. I'm not even doing the tool the right way, for crying out loud, Chandler. The hell, what the hell? Take it. Alrighty, I will cool that down, we'll weld it all up. Alright, let's see about tacking this thing together. Like I said, I'm going to have this off on one side. That's the plan anyway. We're leaning forward, so I think the tack there should help in the back. Alrighty. So I chamfered this heavily. Close enough. Close enough for me. Don't roll too far. Don't look too bad. I chamfered this heavily so that I could weld. Showing my feet today. There you go. Now you're recording. So that I could weld and hopefully not come out of that hole. Looks like that's a success. The weld's holding on to this. Too sturdy right there. See that for me? Okay. So that's that. And now we'll just put these guys on, and again I chamfered these heavily too. We'll mark where we want these suckers to be. Again, right? That's where everything is. So we'll start. What do we got here? 3/4 or another 5/8? No, 3/4. 3/4 inch. So let's go 1/2 inch in and 3/8 there. And I want 2 inches separating that. So that's 2 inches plus 3/8. 1, 2, 3/8. The first one I'm going to put at 2 inches. And then this one I want at 3 inches, not 3/8, because it's 3/8 on that side. 3/4. I think that's where 2 would be, and 3 3/4. That's where 3 should be centered up anyway. Close is good enough for me with this ad hoc tool. I'm doing something wrong. Straight. Let's just kind of check my math here because I want 2 inches clear between them. Yep, that's about right. Alright, so we're going to tip back. Getting good at that. Not perfect, but good at it. And okay, we'll use you. Wait a minute. Fuck up. A little bit, not bad though. 3. Right there in the center. You're gonna pull that way, so. Good, looks good. Look good. Come back. Well, these sound puffs up. Well, my feet are not fast enough. Not fast enough. It's funny, I sped it up and it didn't do any better. What do you think the problem is? What a piece of crap. God, if you were to ask me, it would say it wants faster. Let's go to 6. I need to replace the liner in this thing. That's a little better. That's part of the problem. Modulated welder, that's what we got going on there. I wasn't doing ends there. Stack of dimes the way that speaking. What's going on, Jim? Looks like this. No sleeve. It is what it is, 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 what it is. What it is, what it is, what it is. Alright, good enough. Something about the, this welder I bought used, the drive wheels. They have a little play in them, so they don't feed evenly. But when I'm welding on a, thicker stuff, higher temperatures, it really sucks out. And there you have it. Unturning tool. So we'll give it a try and then I'll be done with it. Well, hang on, let me show you. I hope my logic works, and now that I have 2 different, if I want something tighter I can use this, if I want something wider I can use that. I've never seen anybody do that. I've seen adjustable ones, but this gives me at least 2. Alright, let's try something and we'll be done. Alright, let's give this fancy new tool a test here. So these for my tighter turns if I want, and I can control that. And this one for my wider turns if I want. I can control that. Jump back between the 2 of them if I'm really trying to do something tricky. I like it. Much more control. Again, the reason I did that was for this project with 1-inch stock, so I think that's going to work really, really well. This is the piece that I actually made it for. So yeah, and that's just every one of these curves that I'm really trying to do, I can go ahead and adjust forward and backwards. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So there you have it. Need a tool, make a tool. How hot are you? Whoa, too hot to touch. Too hot to touch, Sharma. Well, there it is down here. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll catch you on the next one, and watch this S video. It's kind of a bear for some reason. Ciao. Thanks for your support, truly. If you found this video helpful, educational, maybe even if you just found it entertaining, and you want to support me, you can jump back to my channel. There's a button on the right hand side of the screen called support, and it's kind of like a tip jar. You can go ahead and leave a tip for this video, and that'll help me make some more, I guarantee. Thanks for your support as always.